Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.3% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 3.2% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment benefits increased moderately last week, while private payrolls surged in June, suggesting that the labour market remained on solid ground despite growing risks of a recession. Binance's share of the global crypto market sits at just 52%, an 8% loss from its previous high of 60%. The US subsidiary has also been impacted by June's SEC lawsuits, going from more than 22% of American customers to a paltry 0.9%. The dollar eased after a brief rebound as data showing the US labour market remains strong increased chances the Federal Reserve will raise interest rates later this month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. Japan's coincidence index at 0500 hours GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. Japan's leading economic index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.